Life can feel overwhelming, but remember this: God invites you to lay your burdens down and simply be still before Him. In this meditation, we'll journey into the stillness of your soul, quieting every worry, every fear, and every distraction as we rest in the presence of our Creator. Let us step into this sacred space together, where His peace will calm the storm within, and His love will surround you. Take a moment to settle into a comfortable position, letting your hands rest gently in your lap or by your side. Close your eyes and take a deep breath in through your nose, slowly releasing it through your mouth. With each breath, imagine the tension in your body melting away. As you breathe in, invite God's peace to fill you. And as you breathe out, let go of all stress, worry, and fear. Now begin to picture yourself standing beside calm, still waters. The air around you is crisp and refreshing, and you can feel the warmth of God's presence surrounding you. This is your sacred space, a quiet moment with the Lord. Imagine Jesus standing beside you. His voice is tender and filled with love. He says, "Come to me all who are weary and burdened, and I will give you rest." Let His words wash over you. Repeat them silently in your heart. I will give you rest. Visualize yourself handing over your worries, fears, and all distractions to Jesus. See Him taking them from you, one by one. Replacing them with His peace, hope, and joy. Feel the weight lifting from your shoulders as you surrender it all to Him. Allow your breath to grow slower, deeper, With each inhale, imagine you're breathing in God's peace. With each exhale, release everything that doesn't belong in your soul. As you continue to rest in the stillness, reflect on the words of Psalm chapter 46, verse 10. Be still and know that I am God. Let this truth resonate within you. Whisper these words softly to yourself, allowing them to ground you in God's presence. Say them as a prayer. Be still and know that I am God. Be still and know that I am God. Be still. Offer this prayer to God. Lord, I surrender all that I am and all that I carry to you. Quiet my soul and help me to trust you completely. Let your peace reign in my heart and your presence fill my spirit. Thank you for being my refuge, my strength, and my constant guide. I am still before you, Lord, and I rest in your unfailing love. In Jesus' holy name, amen. Take a few more moments to sit in the silence. Feel the lightness in your soul now that you have laid everything at God's feet. Now gently bring your awareness back to the room, holding on to the peace you've found in God's presence. We are anchored in faith, and thank you so much for joining in this meditation. May the peace of God guard your heart and mind as you go about your day. If this meditation blessed you, share it with someone who might need it too. Until next time, stay anchored in God's love, and may God bless you.